Ginny Williams. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having a fantastic summer. Today on the channel I have a summer inspired recipe for you. It's one of my favorite recipes on my blog. This recipe is for my pink kiwi and dragon fruit glam pops. This recipe is so simple. It only requires 4 ingredients and the overall flavor is sweet, creamy, and the addition of the kiwi adds a nice little tang. So I think that you'll really like this recipe for this summer. You can pretty much use any popsicle molds for this. These are the ones that I used. I got these last July 4th holiday season at Publix. I really like them because they're thick, but you can also use the traditional kind of skinny, more rectangular popsicles, but I would probably cut the kiwi into smaller bite-sized pieces for that. And as always, because I'm using light canned coconut milk for this recipe, I always choose the organic because it has a lot less processed ingredients in it. It's only a little bit more money, but in the long run, it's a lot healthier. And that's all I have to say for now. Let's get into the video. For the ingredients, you'll need frozen dragon fruit, thawed, a couple kiwi, organic light canned coconut milk, and a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. In a high-speed blender, add the entire can of coconut milk, followed by the 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And then I like to add 1/2 tablespoon of dragon fruit to start with to get that light pink color. To make it a darker pink shade, add in a little more dragon fruit until your desired shade of pink is reached. Blend until smooth and creamy, then peel and slice 2 kiwi. I love eating kiwi during the summer. They're a great source of fiber, calcium, vitamin C, and potassium. Next, just take a slice of kiwi and press it into the sides of the popsicle molds and hold it there for a couple seconds so that it sticks. Then gently pour in your popsicle mix and don't fill it all the way to the top. And repeat this process until you have filled 5 popsicle molds. And then once you've kind of finished, you can eyeball it and top all of the popsicle molds off with the remaining mixture. Freeze for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. When you're ready to eat them, run it under warm water for about 10 seconds. I hope that you love this recipe. They're delicious, and I hope they add a little bit of glam to your day. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe today. If you did, hit the thumbs up. That lets me know to continue to make more of these. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss my next video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!